just for your info, maybe I'll be the last. Zamboanga City, under the present administration, stands on 17-point agenda. Nagpresenta sila durante el kampanya. I don't know, kaya ba ito na yung realize? That's why you're introducing 25. O kung mucho. Anyway, my question is this. Sir, el impression ba sila kay Latarde, si Mayor Celso, though no hay progreso, and then cosa decision di Mayor Casigirel, el opposition, puede ser para testigo. May personalan. I heard from you earlier that you have chosen your candidate for District 2. Handpick, no consultation, nothing. And we respect that. Ma'am Mercy is Zamboangueña, and we know she could do her work in Congress given the chance. But however, you know, it gives us a bad impression because in putting up a group like this, we always believe that there must be a consultation, a screening committee to finally decide who will run in this position or in that particular position. But we respect your answer that by a handpick, because you need a right hand, you have chosen Ma'am Mercy. I just would like to get a reaction. Second point, you decided to run basically because you believe that you will win against the Lobregat. And whoever, because the mayor said in one interview, biray ulit maka-mayor after my term. How he would do it, we do not know. Basta bira daw ulit. And so, now you're here declaring you're running for mayor, and I think that's a welcome development insofar as the results of the survey is concerned. But, Sir Nonong, el maga-Zamboangueño, el ordinario mga gente, de veras ang hablar quiere sila tiene cambio. And you can only introduce those 25 visions for Zamboanga. Siga na two. May personalan, the rest are here. Do you believe on the sincerity and do you trust on the viability of your teammates? Do you think they could help you win, or they're just thinking also to join you for them to win? Do you trust them that they can help you win? May personalan.
Now, alam mo, to be honest, those things enters my mind. Nananalyze kita todos din. No? But in the end, we adopted this already. Myself, no, started with my staff, adopted this as the reason why I'm here, why I will come, why I will say yes. So that raises all doubts about other people. Now, especially when I ask them na pwede ba kita, it's through manage. Yung naman sila representative. E conversa man yung kanila, through manage. Ang rato kanila, alam kanila, amo si Kere. No Kere ko rin na politician kita. Si Kere ba sila? Now, kaya positive man sila. Enthusiastic pa. Nakiganin los demás. So, I believe that we believe in one thing. As the restoration of this thing in Zamboanga City. Now, whether they're weak or not, it's not relevant to our intention. Pareho kami, kaibutan nyo, kinusabitan nyo, si Mandiberasad na mga hente. Now, SNNMU ba, kinusabitan nyo, si Mandiberasad na. Immaterial yan hindi na relevant El diablo, magpunto kami, kumbersa kami ng mga hente, kami din, kami trabaha. Sabi, si Kere, ito rin si akong trabaho, ayun na kamukha ang aura. Sino kaya naman tabi? Welcome tabi. Nosisita kami trabaho. Sino kaya rin hindi trabaho kami? So, ako sila mong timara, hindi na kami pigunta ko sa 20, sa 2, nansali pa yung tigo, hindi na nasita. Importante lang, nakreba kita na este bueno por Zamboanga. Nakreba kita. We don't have to convince who is running and who is not. We just convince any of you or all of you believes ba that we have to do this for Zamboanga. Now, if you believe, then let's sign a covenant. We will present ourselves as we apply for the position to work for this plan. And we'll talk to Zamboangueños. Si Kere sila ang sinasalil sa Zamboanga, si Kere sila todos usted develop. Now, nisita dalit sila kumigong mga kauban, o pwede yun solo. Nisita di uban. Whether these people, mauban di miyo, sincere o hindi. Whether they are winnable o hindi. Then, importante yan. Importante na lang, basta kirel mga gente, dato plano. Si quiere sila, now, di may grupo, mga workers, hindi na, immaterial lang yun. Councilor to, vice mayor to, congressman to. Now, chine purpose. Now, as far as Mercy is concerned, why they didn't go through a process? If you recall, I don't know if you are not surprised, why will Mercy be recruited for Tapitan? Yan Rick, kita ko na ilin. Through Ed and through our relatives, yan recruit you kung actually before sa Buangay, I recruited her to become a congressman na party list. That's initial. Yan na sa Manila, Manila sa Manila. Pero kung pwede man, kay channel ko sa Tasiki. So, okay lang. The next election, pwede lang eh. Kami aki, nalipit yung lugar, siya nalipit. O de kena, pero corre to. Yan corre man. Bueno man, gusto man niyo. Tao yun naman ni kumigo. Eleman dan sponsor na kayo mga tante ng mga ordinance or resolution to support the among project na sa Dapitan City. Na minatul sa Dapitan City, smooth, no hay problema, no hay kami no hay opposition. Kasi uno lang kami ng trabaho. Project lang liamon, hindi opposition, hindi administration. Now, I was at Sikanaki. Now, bueno ba ito? Sincero ba ito kumigo? O sa dito plano, that's not material to me. What's material is, do you believe in this plan? And we will tell the people, you help me tell the people. If you could convince the people that this group of people is willing to work for you, then you select us. Now, if we get elected, we get selected, we work together. As proof nga, I already committed that all of them will be given a project. And it will be them that will follow this up for the next 2 to 3 years until moment. Anything that we use a public fund must be supervised by one of those elected. So it's not just appointed na engineers at SINA or whatever na appointed. It's also the responsibility of the elected. But you know very well that their job is to come up with ordinances and laws. Legislative, hindi na job. They can go through with that. They will debate SINA. They'll go through the process, the same thing. But they have to accept an additional assignment, therefore an additional responsibility. Now, ako lang sa importante kami yun. Si pwede ba ito, receive ba ito? Otherwise, bungin kami, kebraw kami si uno nila gana, or somebody who's not with our group gana, na hindi receive yung trabaho. Ako na si Mang Prince sila receive, no hay opposition, no hay otro well-intention. Kere po, ayuda kumigo, ako lang.
Yes, last three, Mr. Rohay, then si Bernie, then si Alvin. Last to ask the question. Thank you.
Buenos días, Congressman.
Buenas.
Hindi mga testa bien importante, pregunta din. Sino, sabi ko, tiene del mga negosyante kay Aura. Kung ba sila, specialmente ang mga may bota con el mayor del otro elección. Tú, el corre para alcalde de la ciudad. Sí puede tú ganar. Tiene ba tu intention también poner di tu cara na mga business permit? Igual kung tiene Aura. Na business
Face
permit.
value, And then, masin na niya ka namon, may anak congressman man. Yan yung mga project po nito, tapi niya tumingon, let's announce, let's put my picture. I said, no way, don't announce that you're the one. It's presumed that there's no other congressman, there's only one congressman. Now, aki pa, na mucho man kami, sino kami project, pero yun lang tayo yung nagtrabaho. Na-announce sa'yo na mucho kami. Pwede kami lang magkaroon, nanoy,
Alegre si sabi araw ng negosyante.
Definitely, I will definitely not allow using those projects to promote a person.
Yes, and my initials ng mga buildings. Bernie, then ultimo si Al.
Last Congressman.
Si
Kailan lang yung pregunta, Congressman.
Sisi.
Este problema dito de power outage.
Si.
Sabi kita, nadapitan mo yung blackout. Kaya lang ko si Colonel Padam.
Ay, hindi berasa. Hindi berasa.
Gentlemen.
Oh, last week lang. From 5 o'clock in the morning to 8 in the evening. The only reason that you see now blackout kay El Center de Amon, which is Pantasilan, Gloria de Dapitan, Nakak Pinsisor, may blackout. El opposition ni Amon, el kontra ni Amon, habla pabor daw, Randall pabor de Al Alusos. Kaya may blackout, accepted. E Dapitan, blackout, pero kami hindi, accepted daw. Hindi berasa, kini kami generator. Kung sila, grande na ang generator. 500K, mga mega sila ang generator. That's why, basta pwede yan, may mas loose, may mas power. Loose ka sa power.
So, cosa dito yung idea?
Ako siguro, siyempre, the only solution is to have our own power. That's the only solution. To produce our own power, whether by barns or whatever. Or solar. Kung saan kita, but we must have a permanent solution. We cannot just go on and allow our national government to punish us like that. You know, it's impossible, you know. That allow a whole citizen the whole day. Wala balik ko mga hour, 1 hour, pwede po siguro. Imagine from 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock in the evening. Could you imagine that the people are suffering if they have no generator? So sa Buanga City, perhaps you can afford. Now we'll experiment with solar. We'll experiment with hydroelectric. We'll get power from, if we don't have rivers here, we'll go to the south, the north, and Sina. Pwede kita, within sa buwan. Siguro, mo sir, good response ka mga halusos who really govern din sa Buanga Peninsula. Pwede kami mag-cooperate, pwede kami usar mga water sources para to create enough hydro to at least give power to the entire peninsula, the ato mismo. You see, si Lanao cannot provide. Then Lanao, then supported with our own hydropower or whatever way.
So, it will give this a priority.
Yes, of course. Ben Maro at Chitagal, Vida de Ato Chifay Power.
Thank you very much.
Pwede naman, pwede. Ano lang nuclear, hindi rin ito sa nuclear. All pwede.
The last question from Al.
Sir Nonong, no, last Tuesday, tumayo ka yung bentaha. Oo. Aside contigo, Sir Nonong, interesado kami ng mga Sambuangueño sabi na bajo dito yung grupo, el futuro de estos mga uban dito yung como artista matos na espera también kanila ang kwento. Busy pa si Sir Nonong.
Sí, go ahead.
Sir, interesado kami sa Sambuangueños, kaya dito yung Vice Mayor, among from akin na dito yung grupo. In case si Congresswoman Beng Climaco, kaya dito yung kandidato para na District 1.
Na, those position amo sen why, no? Amo nga si kaya nita pregunta ko miyo, baka one person na, no pwede yun, di assess eh. I have to really ask my companions. Not necessarily the member of the opposition now, but these are the politician. We might have others that will join our NGO group and ZTSA that are not politicians. And amongst themselves, they will select. Sila yung one voice silang yung no, hindi naman bargain, pero yung abuse na nila. It will be the result of the groups deciding, discussing, and electing who will run for vice, who will run for congressman in the other districts. Yesterday yung napili I pulling her back here sa Buanga. She was in Zamboanga, I pulled her for Napitan and she did well there. I wanna pull her back because I will feel inadequate if she will not be around, especially for the national connection. I will need more money than your local fund. Sobra din yung fund, and I need more. So I'll be using her, talking to senators and secretaries, cabinet secretaries, para we can perform. Otherwise, we might fail.
Alright, tayo respeta kami, Sir Nonong, no? Dito yung palabra. Pero kaya kita sabi, si Guando pwede sabi siguro sa Bongeños as to, kaya nga dito yung Vice Mayor, kaya nga dito yung kandidato para na District 1, para konsehal.
It will be a process. Starting today, chini ang proseso. Pero hindi, may desisyon. Kaya mucho pa man consultation. Kaya hindi passiles. So, siguro, anyway, still more than 1 year for election. So certainly, before the deadline of filing is over one. Chini, or even long before that. Ay, passive naman, hindi man everybody interested to run for president. It's not easy to run for congressman, it's easy to run for vice president, even councilors. It's not easy. No, I'm sure there will be an early decision by the group. ZTC group, hindi opposition. This is not a decision of the opposition. This is a decision of ZTC. Sabongeños for the transformation of Sabong.
Sir Nonong, last yung mga pwede yung pregunta kung
Please, all others. Si Consuelo Sinayin yun. Para, contact pa natin sila.
Takiyaman kita to, no? Yan, one again, takiyaman meet at any press conference. I will ask you, Vice Mayor Manix Philippine, have you signified your intention to run for Vice Mayor? Kimismo naman. Under the group of Sir Nonong. Have you signified your intention?
Actually, iablaman niyo kung akal na birthday di ERAP, there were some national figures asking me. In fact, at one point in time during the party, I was called by some officials of Malacanang, and they inquired me about Zamboanga City. Mira si Sir Nonong, ayan, excuse you, ande niya na mesa del
Yamas.
mga kwanto secretaries tasinta. They were asking me about Zamboanga. O ano, tatakbo ka ba for mayor? Abe, hindi. I understand. I am at the table now, nandoon yung mesa. I understand si Sir Nonong Halosos ang tatakbo for mayor. Even one said, hindi ba si Kuyor siya? No? Then there was even a comment, hindi ba sa Negros? So, hindi. I understand from him, he's here, he's running for mayor of Zamboanga. Na I do not want to go head on because I talked to him a few months ago about his plans to make Zamboanga City better again, to make it, to revive it, to transform it, to make it like, if we can make it like Singapore. So, i-aplikan nila. I am definitely, as of now, I will not run for mayor in 2013. Si Councilor Elago was even there. Si Vice President Binay, iabla pa kanin, ganun ba? Sige, usap tayo. Even President Era Estrada was also the presidential table. I asked permission from Nonong when he said he's going to run. I said, would it be okay that I will already tell them, iabla mali kumigo, sige, abla to. Because I was telling si Sir Nonong, they are always asking me. So okay lang ba, ablay kita kanila kay ito El Core? Because tapregunta kumigo si Vice President Binay, tapregunta si President Erap. In fact, akal mesa de Malacanang, which witness gani si Sir Nonong, taya kumiyasin tayo liya, pagkwento ko ng mga de Malacanang, ablay yung hindi yung Core. Si Sir Nonong El Core. Si Saka Kumigo Vice Mayor, pwede man kami. Basta deep within my heart, I am really sold to the programs and ideas that we have to transform Zamboanga City. We have to catch up with the other highly urbanized city because our families are here. Takidyaton mga anak, ibon Sir Nonong, disuyo mother, tayo regane, hasta mga bisinos, bien rabyaw ya kay taya nung nasa Zamboanga del Sur. Ha? So, si yun lang personal, kere-kore Vice Mayor. Kaya basic mga national officials. Kaya be kanila, maskin tanya pa kani, hasta kanda Jinggoy Estrada, todo, tanya no, tapasa na mesa, sabi si Sir Nonong El Corena. Pero, there is a process, there is a procedure. I'm willing to be subjected to the usual process and procedure of selection. Kayo, I would like to be part, if ever, if there is a need, that everybody should have a concerted effort for making Zamboanga City sparkle again. No, sa kita bonito, I will really help the team, no? Todo man kita abla ganele, hindi lang say abla one-man show. It will not be a one-man rule that only one man knows everything. He is the one who is the city engineer, he is the city health, he is the city legal, he is the city ARA. Everybody will have a task, including the people in the barangays. This is our city, pumunta Blapakane, na tierra, di tuyo na simiento. Todo kita man ayudahan para ase reviví con el hermosura de antes del liatun ciudad de Zamboanga.
Sir, do you still have like
Really thankful to all of you who showed interest, especially if you took note of what we have said about the program, and kindly please re-echo this through your video, newspaper, radio, television, and re-echo this. It's just a sad thing if the Zamboangueños will not know our intentions. We will be putting this all over, and through you also to this result of this conference, more people will know about the intention. So I thank you in advance for that. And I'd like to give a special expression of gratitude to Jimmy Bella Flores. Is Jimmy here? Yeah, Jimmy. Because of you announcing that this is the one of Kaling. The mother of Kaling.
I thought you were hinting as part of the
Would you like to run for congressman? Why not? Why not? Because you don't have to be a politician. Just a well-meaning lang. You belong to CTC. Sino ba kayo? Siguro, mucho pa na sita. Mucho pa na sita. May mga decision lang. So, salamat ha. Purgas di kanin. May ganyo. May sabi siya. Pinayo. Ara galit. Oo. Sayang kasi ganin ko. My hair sold. Be blessed all the time. Thank you once more. Thank you for all the